Hello everyone, welcome to Vara Tech. This channel is the go-to destination for mastering Python programming. Why Python, you might ask? Well, Python is like the warm and welcoming doorway to the world of programming. Its simplicity and readability make it the perfect language for beginners like you. Today, we are diving deep into the fundamentals of computing in Python programming. Think of these fundamentals as the ABCs of coding. They are the essential building blocks you need to construct any Python program. In this course, you will gain mastery over key topics like variables, data types, loops, and functions. These skills are the foundation for your future coding endeavors. Now, you might wonder, is this course for me? Absolutely, it is designed with you in mind, whether you are a complete newbie or just looking to brush up your skills. By the end of this course, you will not only be a Python whiz but also develop problem-solving skills that are applicable beyond Python. These are skills you can use in any programming language. Python's power extends to web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and even automation. It is a versatile tool that can open doors to countless opportunities. So, are you ready to dive in? I am here to guide you through this journey of learning a new language, the language of code. Together, we will explore Python's fundamentals and unlock your coding potential. Before we jump in, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask in the comments below. Your feedback and encouragement mean the world to us. Alright, let's get started on this incredible Python adventure. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of Python programming. Computer fundamentals. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data or inputs from its user and processes it into useful information as per the processing instruction to generate the output. The computer fundamentals are an important part of the syllabus for several government exams, particularly the banking exams, railways, SSCs, and more, conducted throughout the year. Through this video, you will learn about the basic fundamentals of computers, their applications in various domains, advantages and disadvantages, followed by generations and types of computers. Functionalities of computer. If we consider it in a very broad sense, any digital computer performs the following 5 operations. Step 1. Accept data as input. Step 2. Saves the data or instructions in its memory and utilizes them as when required. Step 3. Execute the data and convert it into useful information. Step 4. Provides the output. The final step, have control over all the above 4 steps. Generations of computer. There exist 6 computer generations till date. In the following list, approximate dates against each generations have been mentioned, which are normally accepted. These 6 generations of computers are based on their processing hardware. First generation. The technology used in first generation is vacuum tube, and the period is 1946 to 1959. And the second generation computer used transistor, and the period 1959 to 1965. The third generation computer used integrated circuit technology, the period 1965 to 1971. The fourth generation computer used VLSI microprocessor technology, and the period is 1971 to 1980. Fifth generation computer used ULSI microprocessor, the period from 1980 onwards. The sixth generation computer used artificial intelligence from 2000. Next, types of computers. PC computer or personal computer, then workstation, mini computer, mainframe computer, then supercomputer. PC personal computers. These are single user computer systems having small, relatively reasonable computers designed for an individual user. This type of computer can easily be moved from one place to another, comprising a personal storage unit, input and output unit, and a central processing unit. Next, workstation. It is a single user system. It usually comes with a high resolution graphics screen, inbuilt network support, a large amount of RAM, and a graphical user interface. They are often designed for self-use by an individual and can be used for multiple purposes. This type of system is not convenient for carrying from one place to another. Next, mini computers. Mini computers come under multiple user computer systems that are capable of holding hundreds of users simultaneously. Next, mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are also multi-user computer systems capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Designed to be used in large firms and organizations where a lot of people have to work on the same database. Software technology is different from mini computers. Last, supercomputers. Supercomputers are extremely fast computers which can execute hundreds of millions of instructions per second. Supercomputers are mostly used in scientific and engineering operations where processing difficult. They are costly and complex to work on. Advantages of computer. First, high speed. The computer is very fast device. It can perform the calculation of a very huge amount of data. The computer has units of speed in a microsecond, nanosecond, and even the picosecond. Next, accuracy. In addition to being very fast, computers are very accurate. The calculations are 100% error free. Next, storage capability. Memory is very important characteristics of computers. A computer has much more storage capacity than human beings. Diligence. Unlike human beings, a computer is free from monotony, tiredness, and lack of concentration. It can work continuously without any error and boredom. It can perform repetitive tasks with the same speed and accuracy. Versatility. A computer is very versatile machine. A computer is very flexible in performing the jobs to be done, and this machine can be used to solve problems related to various fields. Next, reliability. A computer is a reliable machine. The modern electronic components have long lives. The computers are designed to make maintenance easy. Next, automation. A computer is an automatic machine, and the automation is the capability due to which a machine can perform its task without the need for human consideration. Next, reduction in paperwork and cost. With the help of computers for data processing in an organization, there is a reduction of paperwork, and the result is speeding up the process, which in turn saves trees. Next, disadvantages of computer. No IQ. A computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. Each instruction has to be given to the computer. Next, dependency. It works according to the user's instruction, thus it is entirely dependent on humans. Next, environment. The operating environment of the computer should be dust-free and suitable. Then finally, no feelings. It is not smart enough to make a judgment based on experience, feeling, taste and knowledge just like humans. I request you all to like my video and share with your friends and subscribe Varag Tech. Thank you.